have a dream, a song to sing.
Hello, good day guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Daniel. Please kindly subscribe and hit the notification button to get notification anytime I upload a video. Before I continue into this video, I would like to make a disclaimer that this video is not for financial advice but a good risk management to help you pass your FTMO or my Forex fund or any other prop firm account without blowing it. Okay guys, let's get into the video proper. For the sake of this video, I'll be using a $10,000 prop firm account as a case study. This $10,000 account comes with a leverage of 100 with a daily drawdown of 500 and a target profit of 800. So how do we pass this account without blowing it? For example, I'm a trader. I know that if I trade 10 times, I can win 6 times or 7 times and lose 3 or 4 times. I always consider my SL and I use it every time. Now, for the sake of this video, I'll be using a 20 pip SL for illustration and a target profit of 80 pip. This gives me a 1:4 as my risk reward. So because this account has a drawdown of $500, a daily drawdown of $500, I'll be considering this $500 as the main account size, because once you hit a drawdown of 500 while in a trade, you lost that account already and you don't want to lose your account. For these reasons, we consider the $500 account instead of $10,000 account. So we'll risk 8% of $500 in a trade. 8% of $500. How do we calculate 8% of $500? Multiply the 8 by 500 divided by 100 gives you $40. So we want to risk $40 out of this $500 per trade. We want to risk $40 out of this $500 per trade. How do we calculate our lot size? The lot size can be calculated by dividing the SL we decide to use. We are using 20 pip SL. Divide the 20 pip by what we are risking, $40. 20 pip divided by $40, you get 0.2. This 0.2 will be our lot size. 0.2 will be our lot size per trade. So if we trade 10 times in a week and we lost 4 trades, and won 6 trades, this 4 trade loss gives us $160 loss, and the 6 trade win gives us $960. $960 minus the losses you have for the week, which is $160. You have $800, which is your target profit. This is awesome. This is amazing. A very sweet way to pass your prop firm challenge without any stress, without blowing the account. Thank you.